poppin'? I'm back with a video, and today I'm showing you guys how to print shipping labels and how to package your product. Today I'm using Big Cartel. That's where I run my shop through. I don't know what you guys use, but hopefully this video can help a little bit. So yeah, I just want to give y'all some little tips and just a real detailed on how to really do this, because when I used to need help, I feel like the YouTube videos wasn't beneficial because they wasn't really getting into detail. So hopefully this video does help you guys. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so you are just going to go to the top and click the activity bar. And you are going to scroll down to the person that you want to ship out to. And you're going to go over to the part where it says print shipping label. Then you're going to click print shipping label. Okay, so this is the page that you guys should land on and then you're going to go to first class, the very first one, 2 to 5 business days. That's the one you're going to choose. Then you're going to go click thick package envelope. You're not sending out a big package, so you don't need all the extra stuff. And then you are going to weigh your product in the envelope, and then you're going to put the weight. I'm going to show you guys how to get your weight, so just keep watching for the next clip. So this is the lady that I'm shipping out to. She ordered a full set of all the neon colors and a pair of lashes. In this clip, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I package my orders and how I just get them ready. These are just poly mailers. I got these off Amazon, so you guys can go purchase these on Amazon. I love these because they have like extra material on the inside, so nothing gets damaged or anything like that. This is just a scale to weigh the packages. This is what I was saying that you're going to need so you can weigh the package. You can't really ship packages off without weighing them because you have to know the exact amount before you ship them off, so you'll know how much you have to pay and stuff like that. So I'm not sure if you can do this without a scale. So you're going to need a scale. I'll make sure I put that in the description so you guys can go purchase that. It wasn't that expensive. So as you guys can see, mine says 4.7. So I'm just going to round that off to a 5. I'm not going to put 4.7. I'm going to just put 5 because that's just what I do on my packages, because it's kind of honestly the same thing. So that's what I do, just round it off. And when you scroll down and you see all this extra stuff like insurance and stuff like that, you're just going to leave everything like it is. You're not going to add anything down below. So once you put that 5 in, you're going to calculate shipping. And then this is where it's going to tell you how much your shipping label is. So the total of my shipping label is $321. So that's what I have to pay PayPal for my shipping label. And when you press confirm pay, it takes it literally right out of your PayPal account. So you don't even have to worry about it. All you have to do is print your label. And I'm sure you guys know you have to have a printer for this. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, everybody needs a Bluetooth printer. That's what I'm using. It comes so in handy. A Bluetooth printer is where it's at. So in this clip, I'm just cutting out my shipping label and taping it onto the packaging, and that's about it. Okay, so now that I showed you guys how to print off shipping labels on the laptop, this is now screen recording from my phone because you can do the same process on your phone. This is how I do my packages personally. I always ship from my phone. It's just so much easier and convenient. And plus I have my Bluetooth hooked up to my phone. I have my printer hooked up to my phone through Bluetooth. So it's just so much easier. But you're doing the same exact process, so just keep watching this video. All right, you guys, so this process is pretty easy once you get to know the system and stuff like that. But I really hope that this video helps somebody out there, because I wish I had the same help whenever I first started. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and please go subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.